I just need to pick a day where I just record. Cause I go and I record and I don't be remembering what I did the episode before. Or maybe I should watch the episode before I come back into game. I know that we were trying to get this aspiration done. Yes, yes, not for him, for the mom. Um, before they became teen, what the heck? Why are they turning green? Um, before they became teenagers. Um, I believe we're on episode 6, so we gotta put in some work, okay? Um, she's sleeping. Okay, and okay, not him moving. Look at this. My gnome possessed. Look at him moving, and now he rocking. Repairs and okay. Don't feel the ring and number. Repairs and upgrade. Okay, friend. I ain't gonna mess with you then. But girl, do need to go to sleep. My game is just like acting crazy now. Okay, we're just gonna have to cheat that because it's not. I think she's frozen. Let's see. What else can I do? Okay, no, they're great, I guess. Water good, good, giant, healthy. Okay, in season. We can do that. Last time I checked, my shop is still open. Okay, how long has you been open though? Snap, I didn't even know. For 12 hours? Yeah, let's go ahead and close that. And sir, you need to go to bed. God, I hope my game is not stuck. Okay, can he click on it and close it? Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Come on. Oh, there we go. Close. Okay, so Homegrown by Lou. I served 8 customers. It was open 12 hours. Cost $75 to open the course. 108 customers paid to be here, and they gave me $166. I sold 8 things. That was $302. Or is it that revenue from services $36? I don't know. But I made $429. Growth opportunities, quality. Okay, so my stuff is poor quality. They're probably why ain't nobody buying. Excellent. Check back later. So we made $429. That's better than nothing. We need to work on selling quality stuff. Will do. Will do. Sir, you need to. You have school in a little bit. Eat and go to bed. Yeah. Mhm. 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 Alrighty then. How's this looking? My shed. My game is seriously lagging. I can't pick up show nothing. It's my no, my headline is on. Okay, so what I can't see my barn stuff. Oh, there we go. Slightly dirty. Currently occupied by an animal. With her energy's up, she could clean it. Clean shed. Less clean coop. And then we're gonna collect the eggs. And then you're gonna scare the feed. Get out the bed. I know you just want. What about this one? Am I able to highlight this? Is it gonna tell me? Maybe. And this boy is still not in the bed. Get in the bed, sir. Get in the bed. Oh, it's not showing me. Oh, this one is clean. Okay. Yeah, my game is starting to lag really bad. Jesus. Hurry up, girl. I don't know. Maybe because I loaded Wicked Whims in here. But I need Wicked Whims for another Let's Play. So it's gonna have to stay and we're gonna have to um get used to it. How many days of winter are we in? 6 days. Oh my goodness. We're gonna be in winter forever. And she is still stuck apparently. Hmm. Maybe if I click on somebody else, she'll do what she needs to do. And we'll just watch her. Everything is acting crazy. Come on, game. Like, dude, please don't be acting like that. I ain't got time. You ain't got time. We trying to get this this aspiration complete because let me pull up the thing. She found fertilizer. Okay, we don't need fertilizer, but she found it. Is it gonna open? Of course it opens. Oh, my computer screen. Our goals are to complete the aspiration. I think we're on 2 out of 4. We need to max our gardening skill, which is yeah, my game is seriously lagging. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What was I about to do? I forgot. Oh, check her gardening skill if I can. Skills. And she ain't moved yet. Gardening. She's almost. She has the. No, doesn't have to max another skill. She already married a townie. She has 2 kids. We just don't have a successful farm and we haven't completed this aspiration. That's all we have to do. And then we could move on to the next legacy. Where are we at? We are on 2 out of 4. Okay. 2 out of 4. Yeah, so we did the Campstro curator, all of that. Agristric savant. We just got to harvest, collect 2 more things from Bramblewood, and harvest a perfectly quality crop, and then we'll be legendary. Maximum relationship with cow and llama. Receive 3 gifts from a rabbit or birds. Win a competition in Henford on Bagley Fair. Okay. All right. But my game is lagging. Jesus. Really bad. It's lagging really bad. Mm-mm. And I still haven't sold any of this stuff. I don't think I'm a quality normal. Oh, and my milk, has it been sold yet? 4 days. I got 4 days. Girl, it is taking you forever to do this. It's 3 hours later. You still ain't did half of this stuff. Just laggy game. I can't play with a laggy game. I'ma not be playing for a good minute because you're taking forever. Just ugh. Then your children are up. What is she doing? Using the bathroom, taking a shower. This dude right here, he's pretty okay though. He do need to get in the bed. Now I can't click on the bed. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting agitated. What are you supposed to be doing that I can't click on you? You don't have to wake the chickens up to scare them to feed, okay? Did you collect the eggs? 5 hatchable eggs. Okay. I do want to plant what's coming up next. Spring. So some stuff can harvest in the spring. Um, I don't know if I had spring plants though. What is that? Oh my goodness, they don't want to tell me anything. Oh, I'm probably gonna have to get back on later and record later and figure out what's wrong with my game and why it's moving so slow. Purchase seeds. No, we do not want that. We want spring. Do they sell? Let's do fruits. I did vegetables already. I don't want any flowers. Farmer flowers and fruits, veggies and herbs. Okay, let's do this too. I ain't got money for you to be buying stuff, but I want to go ahead and plant something for the spring. I don't know if it works like that, but I'm gonna try. Um, Open seed packet, I guess. Hurry up. Dang. Find a what object? What did you find? Seasons fall and winter. What is that? Why are you not showing me everything? Why are you... Please. I'm trying to. It's not working. Place it in the world. Oh my goodness. I'm getting agitated. I am getting so agitated. Summer and spring. Bluebell is a flower though. I want not a flower. Grapes. Tomato. And now my game has frozen. And it is now. Oh, I thought it was about to be dark. Where are you? Where'd you want to place it? Bruh. This game is starting to piss me off, bruh. What did you put the strawberry? Y'all, are you serious? Where the hell did she put the strawberry? Clean this up. Just clean it up, please. Please. Bruh. Stop testing my patience, game. Stop testing my patience. Stop testing my patience. Stop testing my patience. Stop testing my patience. Am I not able to put stuff there? Go right there. Plant. That took entirely too long to do. Entirely too long. Season, spring. Okay, yes. And then everybody just want to be stuck. This what happened to my last Let's Play. Like, bruh, you'll have them to do something and then they get stuck. And then I just stop playing. This is why I play Sims like every 4 months. Because of stuff like this. Look. And then my sister's like, well, it's something messing up your game. I don't want to look for it. Hey, I'm gonna stop putting stuff in my game, but I need my CCs. I need to be dressing them. Why is it so dark out here? Turn on the light. Oh, it's because it's about to be daytime. I hate when I do that. Like, turn on the lights outside there. Plant that strawberry, even though we can't see. Okay. Took you long enough. Dang. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to figure out what's going on with my game, and I might be back. We'll see. So I did a thing. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet, but let's hope it works. Alright, so it starts snowing. Yes, I know I'm running with wings. And what I forgot what we was trying to do. I don't know. Can I sell this stack of $339? Yes, please. Can we put these eggs in here to hatch? Okay, go back in here. Can I? Why can't I do it? I know my son can do it. And he's slick. Yeah, I don't know. Give me 1 minute. Give me a minute. My strawberry. Okay, it's working a lot better. I can't say that. What else I was gonna plant over here? I don't know if I want flowers. Maybe I'll try it. I really want food. Let's plant this. And then we're gonna plant these daisies. And then I think we should take another trip to Bramblewood to see if I could collect 3 more items. So let's let her do that, and then we're gonna travel over to Bramblewood. Travel. We want to travel by ourselves because our kids have to go to school. And I don't even know if they've been doing their homework. Nope, he didn't do his. Well, Lori didn't do her. I think he did his. Of course he did. Of course. Okay, we got over to Bramblewood. I want to try to search for stuff before that's the wrong way. Before the snow fall too much. And I forgot which way I'm supposed to be going. I'm trying to get to the Creature Keeper's place. No, that's not it. Okay, let's just go over here. Go here. Hurry up. Walk a little bit faster. I know he lives over here. I just don't know where over here. And I need to collect 2 more things before he gets here. I can't. I forgot how to do this, and it was just the episode before. Is it harvest, collect, something? Everything's out of season. I don't remember how to do this. I forgot. You can't do nothing there. I forgot what I was supposed to be collecting. If I can find a creature keeper's house, I might be able. Found it. Is this him? I don't think this is him. And it is snowing really. Oh, it's not snowing that fast. It just, well, yeah. I don't know why that was acting crazy. Okay, weird. I don't know if that counts, okay? I don't know if I could harvest it twice. Does this count if I harvest his? Friend, it's just, he got it. He got what you need. There he go. Hey dude, I'm just here to harvest some of your stuff. And I don't know. This is frustrating. Like, how you gonna try to have me to harvest stuff and I don't know what I'm doing? Does that count? Oh, it does count. Okay, so it doesn't matter if I harvest the same thing over and over. I just need to harvest one more thing and we're gonna have it. And this lady is everywhere. I just need to find one more thing to harvest. I can't find another plants. Okay, I came from this way, right? And I need to find something to harvest. Those blueberries are, of course, I can't harvest the blueberries. Is there anything else I can? Okay. Let's dispose of the dead plant, so maybe something else will grow there. What's this? I can't harvest that. You won't let me harvest it? Okay. I don't see another bush. Okay, I did get to 4 out of 5. And then I need to do my crop at the house. And I think we're gonna get there. Yeah, I think we're gonna get there, maybe. I don't want a frog. I want to harvest another plant. Not it got really, really bright. Okay, where are you? You gotta use the bathroom? Oh my goodness. You gonna pee on yourself, girl? You better hurry up. You ain't gonna do that one. And she's walking. Where are you going? Where are you going? I don't know where she could possibly be going. Pick strange mushroom. Okay. There's a trash can up here? Girl, I don't know where you going. Maybe you're going to this trash can right here. Yeah. You better hurry up. You're gonna be alright not to eat. I want to use the bathroom and pick this strange mushroom. Oh, she peed on herself. Oh well. Which way did we come from? I need you to come back over here and pick this mushroom. Pick strange mushroom. Does that count? Does that count? Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Yes! Okay, alright. Yes, I did it! Oh! Yes, girl, yes, we did it, we did it, we did it. We're one step closer. One step closer, one step closer. Come closer. Whatever he said. Now, let's go home and take a bath. Might cook something good to eat. Yes! So it is possible. It is possible. Shower. And then we're gonna, let's open up our store. After her bell. It is time for hide and seek. Lori will be the seeker. To pause this game, select Lori and choose pause. Okay. Later, we're gonna cook something good to eat tonight. Jollofi rice and drumsticks. I don't know where we got it from, but yeah. And is it a single serving? I hope not, because I didn't even check. I mean, I looked at it, but I wasn't really looking. I was too excited. Girl, why you didn't go to... You have a shower. Get out. Cancel that, and then we're going to take a shower. What? Shower. Okay. And then let's go back and try to cook. I hope I can do a family size. If I can't do a family size, I won't cook it. I wasn't really looking when I clicked on it the first time. No, single serving. Girl, you need to order more groceries. I do not want no hot pot. Oh my gosh. Girl, it isn't bake it. It is then. Dang. Tired of cooking the same thing. What is that? Yeah. What is it though? Cheese and other top. Okay. Thank you, but no thank you. You only could do a single serving. Okay. Well, we're gonna do the rice then if I only could do a single serving. Maybe I can order pizza or something. Oh, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I didn't even know my children were here. House. Order a delivery. And I'm gonna get them pizza. Let's do pepperoni. Yeah. I need y'all to come by. Come by food. Why is it sparkling like that? I think it's already clean though. Oh, slightly dirty. Let's clean it. Clean. Let's feed her. Clean her. Oh, her queue is full. Hurry up, girl. Get out the shower. What you taking so long for? Speed up. This is a long shower. Okay, there we go. And then she tired. And Lori, you sad, but I need you to do the laundry. We could... Okay, she can't use that. Okay. Lord Jesus. We got a lot to do. It's only 6:40. Hurry up before you pass out from no sleep. Put that strawberry back in your inventory. Eat your rice. Clean the sheds. She feel like look was against her. She tried her best. Okay, friend. It's alright. He gets scared of the feed. And Lori Since you're out here, I'm gonna have you to clean the sheds. Clean the shed, so your mother doesn't have to do it. And then I need you to call over Barbara, and you could call over Llama Red Pajama. Ma'am, I thought she was going to bed. Okay, you need to clean her and feed her, and then you can send her back in. And then Lori, you are going to clean, feed, and send back in too. And then you can do your homework. Hurry up, Lori. Your mama, instead of going to bed, oh, there she go. Oh my goodness, I forgot your food was out here, children. I ain't even feed my children. I went to bed without feeding my children. Get you a slice of pizza. Get you a slice of pizza. And I don't know how long the business has been open for. I forgot I opened it. Okay. 6 hours. Okay, we're gonna leave it open over there. No working kiosk. What do you mean? Okay. No functioning kiosk to collect ticket sales plus place in the kiosk to place in the broken. Okay. Oh, because we lost power? Oh, okay. We didn't make $172 though. Okay. The prices were fair. Of course, everything was marked down. Go home. We'll fix it tomorrow. I must have lost power. Oh, new thing. Okay. Asteria small business has reached a first renowned level and is now a hopeful hustle. Asteria has earned 2 business perk points to purchase business perks. Her small business will now see an increased base price for entry and hourly fees, as well as allow more customers to attend. Yay! Yay! Wow, we got an extra $1. That's crazy. Okay, we're still gonna keep it at -25. Yeah. Alright, let's go back into play mode. Did you do your homework? Get up, do your homework, then you can go back to bed. And you need to eat, I think. No, you ate. Of course you did. Hurry up, sir, and then you could go to bed. Do our homework. It is way time for y'all to go to bed. Perks to the business. Asteria has earned her first small business perk point for... Okay. That pizza is some blocky pizza. You finished? You finished? Go to bed. Because he said he going. I don't know about you, but he going. Not them picking at each other. Lori has to lose too. Okay. Girl, hurry up. You need to go to bed. Oh, man. I finished it. Now I'm just waiting on my crop. Which I'm hoping is going to be this one. Fertilize crop. Yep. And then we're going to encourage crop growth. How long does it take stuff to... You know what I mean, to harvest. It's taking a long time. Y'all, I'm almost there. Okay, get up. My son is just not getting in the bed. Come on, girl. Get up, get up, get up, get up. I guess you can clean the milk, Shirley. Talk to your kids, girl. We're trying to get them to grow healthy. Good and healthy. I don't know when we'll be able to harvest it. Why are you up, sir? No, I'm sorry. I didn't know I was still on you. Refill, you do that, and then, girl, you got the lamp. What the heck is that up under her bed? That's right, go away. You go to bed. Okay. Clean the shed. Let's keep these clean. Can we not do anything for this but wait till spring? Okay. Sure, why not? And then you use the bathroom. Oh, let's go back here. This never goes home. I can't. I be forgetting about this. Let's change it to our beekeeper suit first. Apply mite treatment. Why are they enraged? And then we need to check on our crickets too. Collection. Collect biofuel, collect flour, feed crickets, and then, okay, I'll wait. I don't know what this is, Mandrake. A magical bush that produces flower. Okay. Magical. And then we got this tree over here that's out of season, I believe. What else is over here? We need better things to do. I mean, we need better quality stuff. I do want to make some wine today. Can I do that? Okay, she's still taking all day. Let's scatter some feed for the and clean bottle and feed bottle. Biofuel can, okay. Yeah, thank you. Let's scatter more food. Let's scatter a lot of food. And then clean the coop too. Is the pizza still good? Or somebody put it up? Alright, what are you doing? Who are you being flirty with? Okay, so what can I do with these eggs I put in here? Oh, you know what? I don't think I have a rooster. Maybe that's why. Can I do it now? Where are they? Let's sell these. Because they're going to expire. Where are the hatchable eggs? Okay. Alright then. Are we able to open? Okay, somebody brought the biofuel, so we can put more out. No, we cannot tell her to hang out. I don't know what keep expiring in my thing. I want to clean this out. I just feel like I have a lot of stuff. I don't know why I have a bag of sugar. Let's sell it. Basil. Just gonna sell it here. So I don't feel like putting all that out. Oh, I need to, and I know it has nothing to do with it has nothing to do with my aspiration or anything I got going on. Plus, you know, I'm off the grid. I want to learn how to build. Well, I got kids for that, but I feel like I need something to help me build a robot. Like, I need somebody to help me. You know, maybe. Let's milk Barbara. And open shop, because we feel like this power doesn't work out great. Okay. I need to put out more of these, I think. Upgrade. I need more ways to generate power. No, thank you. To generate power in, help me out, computer, in Sims 4. I don't know how else to do it because, okay, girl, you're on fire. What's going on? Wind turbines, fuel powered generators. Require manual operation and fuel refills. Okay. Let's go in and build mode and see. I think I might put some more solar panels on the roof. I know I have. Cancel. I need to. Is it by rule or by function? I can't remember which one I need to click today. Please don't do this to me. Don't do this. Where'd that come from? I'm going to go over there and ice skate as a family. Lord, please don't freeze. I just had this happen in the last episode. No, I don't want small business. I want off-grid items. Can you do it by off-grid? Okay, whatever. Solar panel for the roof. And put more out. And wow, because I don't even have enough money for that. Lord Jesus. Cancel. Well, I thought I had enough. What about a generator? Generator. Household power generator. Okay. How much are you? Okay. I am going to be getting that soon. Yep. Okay. I need that amount of money. I need at least $1,500. Okay. Will do. Will do. Okay. There's really not much to do, y'all. Like, I think I might play off camera for a while. Because I can't really do much. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we should go over here ice skate as a family. Skate around. Invite to skate. Let's invite my children to skate. Duh. Let's go skate. We can spend Saturday. Take this suit off. Stop moving so much. Put on your regular cold clothes. What's wrong with your children? Hungry. Well, y'all better go in there and eat some pizza. Hey, fairy. She was a fairy. Bow. Why are you walking all hungover? Tender hand. Okay. It gets really hot. And you're hungry. And you're going to be tired. But we need to spend time as a family. Spend time as a family. What is that? Is it this? No. I can't remember which thing it was to look. Where you going? Okay, well, go to bed, honey. We'll see what your kids are doing. They're having fun. That's all that matters. He has lost his tooth. Can't wait for the new tooth to appear. Working on it to fix me some teeth. No. He knocked out a tooth. He knocked out a tooth ice skating. Is he mad about it? Tooth catastrophe. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, you were able to see it. Look at him. He's snagging too. And you ain't went to bed yet, Queen. Go to bed. Go to bed. Okay. What you mean you can't get in there? She knocked out a too? So I just got snagging 2 kids. Lord. Now I'm scared if I click fix a tooth, they're gonna put a piece of wood in there. I guess we got snagging 2 children. Sleep. And maybe get leftovers. You could get leftovers. The glorious stories. Yes, you can like stories. You can scatter feet. This snow is coming down really, really hard. Like, really hard. I guess they'll open store today. Yeah. I guess that's gonna be it for this episode. Yeah, we'll see you next Friday. Hopefully we can harvest crops or at least open a store. Thank you for watching. Remember, we don't have peace over here, but you can always have main character energy.